This is the brief on crafting the relaxed Mandarin collar top. So this is a fantastic beginner-friendly tutorial for cutting a really stylish, comfortable top. The trick here is using a simple one-piece pattern for both the front and back, which makes getting those professional results surprisingly easy. First up, let's talk about the design and fit. The final garment has this great, loose, comfy fit that works for all body types. You've got three-quarter sleeves with a folded cuff and a really unique neckline with a mandarin collar and a V-slit. The whole look is created by a relaxed, dropped shoulder design. Second, let's get into the main body pattern cutting strategy. You absolutely have to fold your fabric perfectly straight because that fold is going to serve as your center front and center back. The front and back shapes are drawn together right on this folded piece. Key dimensions to remember are a full length of 65 centimeters down from the shoulder and a bottom width of 30 centimeters from the fold. That's what ensures that loose fit. And finally, let's break down the crucial measurements for that unique shoulder and neckline. The back neckline is 11 centimeters wide with a shallow 4 centimeter depth, but the front is a little wider at 12 centimeters and goes deeper to allow for that V-slit. For the relaxed shoulder, you'll use a 22 centimeter drop, then extend the line 14 centimeters outward and just curve it smoothly down to the side seam to get that classic drop shoulder effect. By following these specific measurements, you'll have no trouble drafting and sewing this stylish and comfortable top.